This video is all about how to get followers on Pinterest. So I literally started yesterday. I watched some YouTube videos and I'm going to condense it all for you today. So I've had Pinterest for a few years. Nothing fucking happened. I had some pins about like homes that I wish I had. So now I made a board. So somebody said you have to have 10 boards, and in those boards you need to have at least 10 pins or pictures. So this is one of my boards. It's called Lovely Homes. And whenever I see a nice picture that I like of like a home I wish I had, like this bathtub or this fucking chest and this nice bed and shit, I put it into that board. And I'm also like I have 5 boards right now, right? And I'm trying to put different stuff in there. But now, how do you, and this is what it looks like on the app. That's my screen name. And if you follow me, I will follow you back. Right now, I have 2 followers. So, but I'm following 119 people. This is how you do it. You go to search, which is right over here. See? Search. And then you could type in anything. Like they even give you options of what you could like. So let's just do, I don't freaking know, exterior design. Okay? Oh, fucking God. Exterior design. And then I'm going to click, I can't see where my finger is going, right here. And then this comes up. Click people. Oh, fuck, people. And now it shows me a bunch of people that I can follow. So I'm just going to go follow. Fucking shit. uh, follow, follow, follow. Right? All the way down. I just keep going. Every single day, try to follow like 100 people, and people will start following you back. So it worked for other people, so it's going to work for me. And if you need some, see, look, it went up to 141. So if you want to get followers on Pinterest, I will happily follow you back. Follow me, I follow you. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm trying to figure out now. I realize that I'm very interested in social media and social media growth. And I think I'm going to be a social media consultant. I may not be a consultant on Pinterest yet or Instagram or even YouTube, but when it comes to TikTok, I understand TikTok. I have 367,000 followers. So if you need help going viral on TikTok, let me know. I made another video about it. Actually, I'm going to put it into the description page. And then you can contact me anywhere. Okay, so look in the description for all the contacts, and I hope this helps, and good luck to you.